guys, we are back today with Nina, and I kind of have an idea in my head what I want to do, but I'm sort of winging it. So I just wanted to bring you guys along, and we'll see how this turns out. Let's get started.
Ice cream.
Okay, so I took the other style down. She just had 2 pigtails with some finger coils. But I'm just gonna spray her hair down, comb it out, and make sure there's no knots or tangles in it, and then we'll get started. Okay, so I detangled her hair. I'm going to be putting in some hair milk. I have the avocado moisturizing hair milk here. And I'm just going to put a little bit of this in before we start the style. Alright, so we're going to start with the front of our hair. We're going to make 5 parts. We're going to do one, like big one right in the middle. And then we're going to do 2 smaller ones on the side. So I'm going to go from about the tip of her ear and start it and go from ear to ear. That's about the thickness I want these parts to be. Alright, so there is my part right here. So I went a little, not the tip of the ear, a little before, and I went from side to side. Now we're just going to put these in boxes. So we're going to have a bigger one in the middle, and then 2 smaller ones on each side. And then just put in your rubber band. So before I put in the ponytail, I'm just going to use my flaxseed gel and Jackie's. Put a little bit of this gel in each part right before I put in the ponytail. Alright, so I kind of didn't want the sides to be any smaller. I could have split it in half and did 2 boxes, but I didn't want them that small, so we're improvising. Like I said, we're kind of winging it here today. So I just did 1 on each side of this middle box. Okay, so now I'm just going to be taking these 2 parts right here and bringing them back all the way to the back of her head. Okay, so I clipped up the sides. I have the I just brought these lines all the way down, curved them around her head. Same on this side. Hope you can see that. Here, let's turn it real quick. So we got the 2 lines all the way down. So now we're gonna create another box in this middle section and put in a rubber band. So what I'm gonna do first with these 2 is do a 2-strand twist. You're going to do that until you get down to the second box. Once you're at the second box, you're going to wrap 1/2 of each side. So I have 2 sides, so I'm going to wrap it around the ponytail in box 2. So I have 1 on each side. And then I'm going to continue my 2-strand twist and then combine this piece with the 3rd box that you will create in the middle. So you just 2-strand twist it all the way down, combine it with the hair in the 3rd box, and put in your ponytail. Okay, so for when you have the 3rd box done, you connected the first one to the 3rd one. You left the 2nd one alone. We're going to 2-strand twist the 3rd one and then combine it with the last box. You're not gonna wrap it around, but you're gonna combine it and just put in your ponytail. Okay, so once you're done with that, you're gonna have the 1st box and the 3rd box in ponytails, and then the twisted, you're gonna have it twisted into the next one. So the 1st box it twists around this one into the 3rd one. Okay, so now we're going to take this last section right here, and I'm going to put gel in it, of course, because her hair needs gel. I'm doing pigtails this way on her because, like I said before in my other videos, her hair won't stay in pigtails or styles that have super big sections. It only lasts a few hours. Her hair is very thin and frizzy, so I try to find new ways to do simple styles like pigtails, but in a way that it doesn't get as frizzy and messed up so quickly. So I'm going to split this one on the top in half, and I'm gonna split this one down here in half. You take the halves, okay, and this one. I'm gonna 2-strand twist them all, then add them to this last section right here into a pigtail. So I hope that makes sense. Hopefully you see what I mean when I'm done. So let me go ahead and do that real quick. Okay, so as you can see, let me try to get you guys at a good angle. So this one was left undone. I split it in half, twisted this one. I twisted this front section, and then this one was left undone, so I twisted this one. And I put them all up into this last little triangle section here into a pigtail. I did the same thing for this side, just on the opposite. And it is a jazzed up pigtail hairstyle. Alright guys, so that's the hairstyle. I was kind of winging it today. I think it actually turned out pretty cute. I'm always trying to find hairstyles like pigtails and stuff, but pigtails that I can do in her hair that last more than a few hours, because just if I just split the hair in half, combed it all into pigtails, it would be undone and frizzy and messy in 4 hours. So this way I can get at least a few days, I'd say maybe 2 days, without it looking all crazy and messed up, maybe more. I put a lot of gel in this time, so hopefully it'll last a little longer. But yeah, let me know if you guys like this hairstyle, or if your child also has very thin frizzy hair that doesn't stay in ponytails or pigtails very well, because these types of hairstyles I found really do help her. That way I don't have to do her hair every morning.
Every night before the camp.
I don't know what she's saying, but yeah. Give us a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Join us, because we love sharing these ideas with you and helping you guys out. And I like to interact with you guys, so comment down below. Questions, helpful tips if you have any, or if these hairstyles have helped you out. And we'll see you guys in the next one.
Bye!
Bye!